some of the training that you should be taking occasionally throughout your career, even annually, should not be about things that are in the future, like new things, like new technologies coming and so on, but also a little bit about the back, a little bit of assembly every now and then. Might be useful accidentally at some point in your life because you need it, and even if not, it might, like, you'll see patterns because it's all the same things, it's just more and more abstractions, but it's still the same things. So seeing how it's done, how things were solved, what problems were, might help you kind of figure future when you rely on the past. And it's unpopular. I know you all hum and agree with me. It's unpopular. None of us, I also did not do that and don't allocate time or budget for that.
I do know what you mean. I actually have this book called But How Do It Now? It's just I got it off the Amazon website. And basically, it talks about computing from the very bare beginnings, like literally logic gates, and then how you make a bit out of two NAND gates, and like just showing how the logic works, and then building up everything in a computer like that. And it is amazing. But yeah, that was like not something I need. And actually, something else that occurred to me when you were saying that one is having like training or paying attention to things that you already think you're good at. So not just new things that are new to you, things that you already think, yeah, I've got that nailed. You might be surprised. Like plenty of other things to learn. Yeah.